Matt here, and today I've got a Ubiquiti UniFi XG switch which we are going to go through, unbox, see what's inside. Now this switch is a 16 port 10 gigabit switch, so that's made up of 12 SFP 10 gig ports and 4 10 gig Ethernet RJ45 ports. Inside the box here, we've got all of our accessories off to the side. So that's including all of our rack mount screws, our actual rack mounts, which there's 2 of, so they don't come pre-attached to the unit, a power cable, and of course, in the box here, the unit itself, the XG switch. Below it, we seem to have here our quick start guide stuck to the bottom of the box. There we go. That's it. That's everything that comes in the box with the Ubiquiti UniFi XG switch. It's a quick close-up look for you. So on the side of the unit, we have the mounting points. On the front, we've obviously got those 12 10 gig ports and all of our indicator lights as well. On the back, we've got power inputs, a couple of fans, and a console port. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me.